guys like my sticker, I'm going to be giving away, let's say, up to 3 stickers to my subscribers. If you just comment below in the comment section, just type in "I got" for all the gear all the time, or just write a comment about what you think about safety and wearing gear, and I'll enter you into the drawing to win one of the "I got" stickers that I made up. I look forward to some comments, guys. I always have problems with my mirrors once I get out on the road. We need to actually get that issue solved. I think that's pretty good. No goals today, guys. We just wanted to ride. It was cold. I didn't really want to get out in the cold, but I got some layers on. Now that I'm on the bike, I'm starting to feel warm. No excuses, y'all. Let's get out here and have some fun. Baby, up 250, y'all. Alright, so the last time we rode, we said our goal was going to be practicing emergency stops. So that's what we're going to practice today. So emergency stops. Practice stopping in general, y'all. That's a whole skill in itself. You know? You don't want to not be able to stop when you want to stop. That's the worst trouble you can get yourself into. It just means crash. I don't feel like dropping my Hawk today, guys, but if I do, hopefully I'm prepared for a safe fall. You know what I'm saying? When I was taking my driver's course, my basic motorcycle course, it was cold. It actually rained on the second day of riding. We had the most challenging exercises. And me riding the Hawk and the DB14 all summer, and that bike felt so good. I don't know if I was overconfident or if it's just natural because the bike felt so good. I was riding a lot faster than most of the other riders, and I don't know, maybe I just tapped the brake, I don't know, let off the clutch. I think it was just a jerky movement or something like that, but I fell twice. It was crazy. I didn't get hurt. I was going like 25. brake settling for emergency stop. Either that, and then the second other time was when I was practicing a swerve, and they told us to say, you know, it just rained, so be careful. I should have been more careful. I mean, I took off like this. And I swerved this way, and I swerved this way. Except it was the best move, man. I was zooming. And when I zoomed like that, I think I hit a slick spot, to be honest. And the quick jerky motion, I used up all the traction. I used 105% of the traction. The bike just went bloop. I just like that swerve exercise though. So yeah, I actually swerved to the left, so I was going in, then I swerved, then I swerved. So it was that transition between the back to the forward position to make the bike slip, the rear tire slip out. That was fun, y'all. I didn't feel so bad because, I mean, like I said, I really pushed the limit. At least the other people got to see what happens if you just take it a little bit too far in bad traffic or traction conditions. We had one guy that fell twice in the first day, three times in the second day. Man, he did a hell of a cool roll. It wasn't funny, but it was like exciting to watch. He was okay. He hurt his elbow a little bit. You know, one of the two people who did it complete the course. A little, what do you call this, weave? A little weaving exercise. So, we would have practiced emergency stops, but there's houses over here. So this is probably not the best side to practice on. Get back over here and practice. There's the stop sign. If I get hurt over here, man, there's nobody to help me out except for that guy on the lawnmower. Let's just practice one. This is the speed I should have been going. But no, I was going much faster than that when I fell. I was in second gear that time, and the time that I fell. It's only been a month since I completed the course. That bike felt great, y'all. Suzuki Van. It was only a 200cc. I almost got a chance to get the Suzuki 250 SU, I think it was, which I was excited about it until I got on the Van, and that sucker it felt so light and flicky, boy. I loved it. I actually looked them up, like $4,500, $4,300. Same price as the next one up, the 250. I think I'd probably rather have a 250, but that 200 felt great. Someone a little bit smaller, I think it's the perfect bike. You're like 5'6", 5'7", doing something a little bit small, but excellent bike. I mean, that's Suzuki Van. They got me looking at a whole other class of bikes. Yeah, the Hawk feels good today, y'all. Of course, I'm just riding around in circles in the parking lot that I've been practicing in for months. We're not going to go to the Muddy Creek today. We're going to go towards the direction of the Muddy Creek. Traffic's not real bad, is it? The lights are probably too far from the nest, y'all. Just trying to get some hours in. Not so much distance at this point. Just hours. Working a distance. Probably when it gets warmer. The Muddy Creek's down there, y'all. Straight ahead. So is the route to the plaza over there. You see Dick's. It's across the way. Like I said, guys, when I decided I wanted to become a rider, it was a kind of a scary, adventurous idea for me. Being so old and never riding a motorcycle before. The only time I ever tried to ride a motorcycle, my friend had like a 650 or something like that, and I couldn't even balance it to get on it. Like, I'm sure if I would have took off, I would have wrecked. Maybe it was a 750, I'm not sure, but he was like, yeah man, you need to get you something smaller to get started on. So in the back of my head, since I was like in my 20s, I was thinking, man, if I run across something small that I think I can handle, I might snatch that. So, you know, it just so happened to eventually decide to get into riding. Got myself a Hawk 250, y'all. I'm just learning how to ride this motorcycle. But when I got into it, I told myself my goal is to be able to cruise around a neighborhood like 25 miles per hour. Not to do anything crazy or stupid or life-threatening, you know. I got kids to take care of. I'm sure my insurance money would take care of them too, but I'd rather do it personally, y'all. Jacket day though. Let's take a little turn. Just to kill a little bit more time. Hey, there's kids down here. They're riding their bikes, I ride my bike. Yeah, I think kids love motorcycles. What do you think? I know I do. It's a blind turn. Stick out here a little bit in case somebody's zooming.